Hi sweeties, welcome back to the channel. I'm looking beautiful like this with no makeup on. Because today I'm gonna try following a It's Black Friday makeup tutorial. You probably know already, unless you live under a rock, that there's this trend going on. All these people are posting these videos of them following very complex makeup tutorials, usually from other YouTubers. And I'm really not one to follow trends, but I think this one is so funny. Like, not all trends are bad. I think this one is really nice because I actually do that on my own. Like, I try following makeup tutorials and I usually fail miserably because I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. But anyway, I decided to try to recreate this It's Black Friday everyday goth makeup because I really like her channel. Even though we have very different styles, I'm more into like the creepy cute, pastel gothish kind of stuff, and she's like full-on goth. I really like her channel and her videos and her personality. She's like super sweet and nice to her subscribers. She's really lovely. In case you don't know her, which is very unlikely because she's like super famous, please go subscribe to her right now because she's a goth queen. And I'm about to ruin her makeup. I'll do my best. Okay, so before we carry on and I embarrass myself on the internet, please subscribe because I post 3 new fresh videos every week. Also activate your notifications so you know every time I post a new video, and give us a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. By the way, I'm sorry I'm wearing these ratchet little earphones, but it's because I'm gonna be watching the video on my iPhone, and this bloody iPhone 7 has a different shape cable thingy for the headphones, so I cannot like use my pretty like big headphones. You're gonna have to look at these little shit things hanging on my ears. But anyway, going back to the makeup.
Hey everybody, I don't know if it will be as weird to you as it is to me, but
oh my gosh, I love her lenses. They're so cool, and her makeup. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this? She looks so good.
so I thought it would be a nice idea to mark the date of my 3-year anniversary on YouTube by redoing my first ever video, my everyday makeup. People always ask me how long does it take to do, and I've timed myself and it takes about 20 to 30 minutes.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna take me 2 hours, seriously. Like, prepare yourselves for a very long video. Oh my gosh, I could never do like full makeup every day and lose like those extra 30 minutes that I could be sleeping.
And as I did in my first ever video, I'm going to apologize for the fact that you have to see my face without makeup on it to start.
Don't say that, girl, you're beautiful.
I start by applying a primer or pore filler.
She starts applying a primer with her hands. I can do that. I have this primer. It's not the same as hers because I just have cheap shit. So instead of this NYX pore filler, I'm gonna use this MUA primer.
I can't see a fucking thing, so while that sets, I pop some contact lenses in.
Ooh, I don't have contact lenses anymore. If you've been subscribed for a long time, you know I used to wear like colorful contact lenses as well, but they used to really irritate my eyes, so I don't have them. We're off to a good start! I already don't have one of the things I need to do the makeup. Yay.
I spend the longest time putting foundation on. I apply it with a knockoff beauty blender with a rapid patting motion.
Oh shit. I don't have that white foundation. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You know that feeling when you get all ready to do like a DIY or a makeup tutorial or something, and then halfway through you realize you don't have like all the ingredients. I'm gonna do it anyway, seriously. I'm not gonna be as pale as her, obviously, but there's nothing I can do. I don't have this white foundation. The lightest thing I have is my concealer that I usually just apply under my eyes and stuff, but I'm gonna use it as a foundation because it's just lighter than anything else I have. But obviously you can see it's not as white as hers. And then I'll use a beauty blender like she does. Oh my gosh, I told you I had no clue what the hell I was doing. Look at me.
After liquid foundation, I set that with a white powder.
Ooh, I have that! Yay! Finally, I have something. Hey. So I'm just using this one, Your Color Make. I had this for so many years, I don't even know like if it's usable anymore. And it was so cheap, but look, it's white powder. I don't know how bad it's gonna look on top of this not white foundation, but oh, I think it works. Does it work? I think it does, yes. Aha, now you're talking.
I also put white grease paint on my neck, chest, and ears.
Oh, that makes sense. You can see this part is not the same color as my face. Oh my gosh, it's gonna take me another 30 minutes to cover all of this with this rubbish powder I have. Seriously, I'm gonna come back in 5 minutes when my neck is white. Otherwise this video is gonna be so long because it's really taking me a long time to cover everything up. Okay, I'm back. Can you tell the difference? Did I do a good job? I think you can when I put my hands up like this. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the difference.
I use a matte grey eyeshadow and narrow, fluffy brush to make it look like I have cheekbones.
Wow! That's so cool. She does her contouring with grey eyeshadow. So she's using a brush kind of like this one. Only hers is narrower, but I only have this one like this shape. And I'm gonna get some of my grey eyeshadows. I'm just mixing them because they're too small for the size of this brush. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Wait. Ooh. Is that working? I think it's working. It looks like it's a bit too dark. Like I have a beard. It really looks like I have a beard, especially this side. Oh no, it looks so good on her, but I'm just not doing it right.
I also contour along my jaw.
Now it definitely looks like I have a beard.
I fill in my eye sockets with the same matte grey as before.
Okay, so she gets this fluffy brush and she does like the whole of her eye grey, even underneath. Alright, I'm just gonna use a different type of brush because my fluffy brush is way too big. And I'm just gonna put it all over my eyes. I'll try underneath as well.
Then I put white, or occasionally another colour, on my lids.
Then she puts white on her lids. She's using Sugar Pill and I'm just gonna use this eBay shit one. But seriously, I lost all hope of like actually having one of the brands she's using.
I carve a crease atop my eyelids with black eyeshadow or a kohl pencil.
And she does it quite high up, like here it seems. Oh, that doesn't look like what she's doing. Oh my goodness, it looks really bad. Ah!
Then comes the eyebrows. I regularly shave my natural eyebrows completely off.
Oh shit. As you can see, I have eyebrows. What am I gonna do? Ah! Well, I guess the best thing to do would be to fill in my eyebrows with like a Sharpie style highlighter as well, like she did. The only difference is that I cannot change the shape of my eyebrows. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be funny. Oh my gosh, that's never gonna come out. Oh my goodness, I'm always scared of doing my eyebrows. Oh wow. Look at them eyebrows. I look like Groucho Marx.
And I use the same eyeliner to draw an oversized cat eye. It doesn't have to be perfect at this point.
Oh fucking hell. Everything involving eyeliners make me a little bit nervous. I don't think I can make my eyes look symmetrical with such a big like cat eye like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she's... Look how wretched this eyeshadow is. Oh my gosh. So she does like a very thick line. And then it goes all the way up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, that's not looking good. Black Friday, I am so sorry. I am completely destroying your beautiful makeup. All hopes that I was gonna do alright have left the building.
I take a waterproof eyeliner and create sharp points on my inner eyes, leaving a space open.
I honestly thought the eyeliner part was done. Oh no. Okay, I don't have a waterproof one, so I'm just gonna do this with the same one. Do a point and then you leave a space. Oh my goodness. That doesn't look right. Oh my gosh, this gap is way too big. But now I'm gonna have to match it on the other side. What the hell? What the hell? It's so bad! I promise you, I'm not trying to be funny. It's actually really hard to do this bottom part. Jesus!
Get a very fine liquid liner to create sharp points on my eyebrows.
More hard stuff. Oh gosh. The eyebrows were decent. Now I'm gonna ruin them. And then bring them down like this. Oh no, what have I done? What have I done?
I also brush on bottom lashes.
The eyeliner never ends. I'm not even taking this seriously anymore because it's looking so bad. It doesn't even look like the same makeup. I honestly, I swear to you, I didn't think it was gonna be this bad. I mean, I thought it was gonna be bad, but not like this bad.
I apply mascara top and bottom.
And then mascara, that's something I can do. Woo, finally, yay!
I line my waterline with either a soft white or red pencil. My white is all gone, so I'm just using red.
Red eyeliner, okay, I can do that. Oh, it just looks like my eyes are sore, but it's the red eyeliner, it's cool.
Black lipstick is my standard. How predictable. Not all lipsticks need a lip liner, but sometimes it helps to stop it from bleeding, so I outline my lip.
Okay, so she outlines her lips. I think that's just like an eyeliner pencil.
False eyelashes get stuck on.
Okay, I have a problem. I have fake eyelashes, as you can see, but I ran out of eyelash glue. I know what you're thinking, I'm so unprepared. Oh, but I never wear fake eyelashes, so like I didn't really think of buying eyelash glue. I am sorry. Wait a minute, wait, I have an idea to make this just a little bit better. I'm gonna go put my black and silver wig on and a fake piercing, and I will be back in a minute. I tried. I thought I was gonna be so proud of myself, but look at this. Ah! I'm so sorry, Black Friday. I'm so sorry about this. I honestly thought it was gonna be just a little bit, just a tiny little bit less embarrassing. Okay, so that's it for today. Go watch my music videos because hopefully I'm better at music than I am at goth makeup. Thank you so much for watching this until the end, even though like it was crap makeup. And have a very, very lovely day. Mwah!